Advanced Scholars. Today is Wednesday, October 6th, and here's what happened while you were away from class today. Your classmates started by reading Chapter 4 of The Great Gatsby. We started Chapter 4 yesterday, unless you were in 8th period. Periods 2 and 5 spent about 6 to 9 minutes reading Chapter 4. So we continued. At this time, you should be nearing completion of Chapter 4 of The Great Gatsby. Unless you're in period 8, we did not have a chance to begin yet. So, if you were absent, if you missed class, the expectation is you come to class Thursday with Chapter 4 completed. Here is the assignment your classmates worked on today. So, since it's abbreviated class due to club schedule, we are working on a group assignment, but there was no discussion today. So, Tuesday, on a sheet of paper, we wrote the Chapter 4 gist statement. And then on that same paper, we divided it into 4 quadrants. So if you weren't here Tuesday and Wednesday, you will need to show up Thursday with a sheet of paper with 4 quadrants, A, B, C, D. Periods 2 and 5, we completed A and B yesterday. 8th period completed it today. We're starting this today. So what your assignment is to read Chapter 4 and fill in the quadrants accordingly. In quadrant A, I need you to write 1 how or why question. Your peers will give you 2 how or why questions. If you are absent Tuesday and Wednesday, and you did not start, you will do this whole quadrant, all 4 quadrants on your own. So you will write 3 how or why questions with page numbers here. You will write 3 emotions you experienced in Chapter 4 here. You don't have to say why. You will write 3 sentences you believe are worth emulating, that you would like to imitate, that you would like to copy. 3 sentences you would like to imitate to improve your own writing. What did F. Scott Fitzgerald write really well that you would like to imitate? We will revisit this quarter 2. Now pay attention to the words F. Scott Fitzgerald used, the author. Diction. What are 3 words you believed were impressive? Okay, that you're like, whoa, I would like to include these words in my writing as well. So if you were absent Tuesday and Wednesday, you will complete quadrants A, B, C, D on your own. There's no highlighting. There's no underlining in color. You will write absent on your paper. If you're absent Tuesday, Wednesday, and you're making this assignment up, you will write absent on your paper, and I know it won't be color-coded because you'll have absent on your paper. If you are here Tuesday and you missed Wednesday, you can take your work you'll continue with your team Thursday, okay? So here's what everybody did today. They highlighted their 1 how or why question, and they underlined their 2 peer questions in blue. They highlighted their 1 emotion, and they underlined, did I say highlighted? Underlined. And they underlined their 2 peer emotions in red. And then we won't meet with peers today because the classes are shorter. They used class time after they read for 15 minutes to then highlight their 1 sentence, and they had to write a sentence they feel was impressive, and then a diction word that they felt was impressive. And the group, when they meet with the group is going to share with them tomorrow. Here are other notes that I want to mention for the class. So I am meeting with period 6, 7, and 8 after school today. I'll allow you to recover your binder during class Friday. Make sure you're not touching your phone too much in class, or else you risk having it sent to student affairs. And if you know the answer to this problem, then you don't go Googling the answer because you know it. Well, similarly, I'd like for you to make sure you're asking the teacher for help instead of plagiarizing. I've noticed plagiarism is on the rise. Don't do it. Don't go to the internet. Don't ask a peer. If I read it and I see that you copy, you will lose credit. Okay, you cannot recover the zero, and it is punishable by disciplinary offense. You'll receive a referral. I realize students only plagiarize if they don't understand. So ask for help. You have a teacher who loves her job, who wants to help you. So if you open up a tab to ask Google a question, you should ask the teacher. Okay, remember, I read everything. Reach out for help. This is just a reminder that Monday we will be in new groups, and you'll be paired with students who are similar to you in according to some of the data I'll be using. That's it. We missed you today, and let me know if you have any questions. See you tomorrow.